Audio Jungle.
These perfectly timed pictures show dogs flying through the air as they leap towards the camera in search of treats. The hilarious snaps are the result of a year-long passion project by amateur photographer Daniel Sheridan. He started appealing for pet pooches to photograph on social media last year and ended up with a fantastic collection of mid-air images. After much trial and error, Daniel, of Bournemouth in Dorset, has created a perfect system whereby dog owners release their hounds from one end of a run while he waits at the other end with treats to lure them in. Logs and other obstacles placed in between force the dogs to jump over them, creating the perfect opportunity for an action shot. Daniel, who has 7 dogs, said, "They're not going to just run into a log, so getting them to jump is actually fairly easy." Through a combination of trial and error, the lure of treats and good luck, Daniel manages to capture the hairy animals at the very moment they hang in mid-air. Pictures is Buzz the Pomeranian, who looks like a ball of fur as he jumps over a pile of logs. Commenting on this picture of Holly the Staffy flying through the air, Daniel said, "I have a few techniques on how to get the shots, but there is no foolproof method. I'll usually be stood at the end of the run with a pocket full of treats and I'll have someone known by the dog on my shoulder. Daniel, who himself owns 7 dogs, said, "It all started with a social media appeal really, when I asked people if they would be willing to give up an hour of their time to meet me with their dogs." Pictured is Bailey the Cockapoo,